Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can tag someone on a TikTok video. So it's actually pretty simple. So I just want you to follow me on this one, alright? So first of all, we'll be heading over to our TikTok app. Oh, this one over here. And yeah, we just click on the add button down below so that we can upload a video. Let's just upload something random. For example, this one. I don't really want to spend so much time editing something. I'm just gonna click on AutoCut and just leave it on TikTok. TikTok's magic to see what they're gonna do with a single photo, right? Alright, so as you can see, they turned this simple photo into a dance video. But that doesn't matter. What matters is I'm gonna show you how you can tag someone. And the next thing that you need to do is literally that. Click next. Then here you will see tag people. That's that simple. Now I just need to search the people that you want to tag in this video. Click on anyone that you want to tag and just click on done, and you should be able to tag this person on your TikTok video. But for me, I don't want to tag anyone right now because yeah. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.